One of my favorite cleansers around the house is vinegar, plain vinegar. And I'm going to show you where I love to put it in the dishwasher instead of dishwasher soaps, because I started thinking, because our little girl Kimmy said to me, Nana, I took all the clean dishes out of the dishwasher and we had supper and I could taste soap on the dishes. So I got to thinking, because I always thought, are these dishes being rinsed clean enough that they're getting all those chemicals and all that soap residue off the dishes? Well, clearly the answer is no, it's not. So I started using plain vinegar. So I put it in both chambers. This is where the pods go, and this is where the rinse aid goes. I put plain vinegar in both chambers. I make sure that I have it on a hot water cycle, so I have the vinegar to clean and the hot water to sterilize. My dishes come out so clean and shiny. I'm so thrilled with it, and I have the added self-confidence that I'm not giving my family soap to eat on their dishes. So one of my favorite things, vinegar. You have a great day.